Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thanks for dropping in on us. So today I was just going to show you the hinges I put on the Spitfire. Basically I've taken the Dolly Partons off, which are the overriders that hang onto the front of the car. It's made a much sleeker look, and some guy on the internet's asked me to show what I actually did to achieve this. So effectively I fitted two Audi TT front bonnet struts and hinges, and it all went together really well. I had to do some modifications on the frame on the inside of the bonnet, which I'll show you in a sec. But it's just enough power within the struts to lift the front up with a bit of persuasion. Here you go. So here we are. So you can see the front struts there and the hinges. I made a little plate at the bottom to support them. The looms in the process have been tidied up, and they just bolt onto the bottom of the bonnet like that on a specially made frame that goes across. Worked out really well. I'm very pleased I did it, because obviously then I was able to fit on the slightly shortened Vauxhall Astra bonnet bumper, and there's you can see that from there. Last night I fitted this indicator and the little panel on the side of it. I've had to wait for it to come from Lithuania of all places for a pricely sum of £7. The other modifications I've done to it since yesterday was only to mount the adapter. So this little adapter here, this converts the General Motors fuel sensor in the fuel tank to work with the Audi fuel gauge in there. So everything works really well now, and hopefully getting very close to getting the car road legal and sorted out. Still got a ton of body work to do, which hopefully I'll crack on with this weekend. I've got some more filler coming, and that's a job I hate doing. It just seems to you spend hours and hours and hours getting absolutely nowhere. But it's a necessary evil, got to be done. Then we've got to put a bulkhead in here. So we've got some aluminium sheet which we're going to cover over the engine, and just to box it all in. So I think it's just probably not likely to get through an MOT like that. The other seat's got to go in. The body's obviously got to be painted. I've still got some welding to do on this door. As you can see, it's still some cancer on that which needs to be filled in. So that's another little job that needs doing, and there's a couple of bits of welding needed to do on the back of the car on the rear valance, which hopefully if I get some time this weekend I'll sort those out. Apart from that, we're getting there quite quickly, and it's beginning to take shape quite nicely. Anyway, thanks for dropping in on us. Please check out the Spitfire.uk. That's the website which I've got the build history on. So that's the Spitfire, www.thespitfire.uk, and I look forward to speaking to you again. Thanks, bye.